Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, April the 21st, 2021. Yes, still Wednesday. Yes, and the third puzzle is a binary puzzle, a number. This will be number 2672. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And then between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. We have now 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then alright, and now 3, 2, yeah. No, I cannot continue. Wow, what's happening? What's happening? 1, 2, 3. Here or there. Okay. Can I compare? Here. No, I cannot compare. What's happening now? What's happening? Yeah, between two O's comes in one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. I've overlooked this these two O's. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes in O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Yeah. And now need to compare. Double one, double O. No. We have one here, so yeah. This row and that row. O empty box. 1 1 O 1 1 empty box. O 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then 3. Need to compare again. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2. So now I can compare. Do we have, no, 101 here? Yeah, the second row and this row. 1100001100 empty box. 11 empty box. So we need to switch this and that digit. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today in this additional 8 tectonic one with 4 stars. Prepare for this one. See you then. Bye bye for now.